What if I told you that you could manifest anything you want in life without lifting a finger? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if the secret lies in organizing just 4 dimensions of your life? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into how you can become your own Kalpavriksha, the ancient wishing tree, and make your dreams a reality. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, happiness, and abundance while others struggle just to get by? The answer lies in the power of your mind. In this video, we're exploring a profound teaching from Sadhguru that reveals how you can align your body, mind, emotions, and energy to manifest your deepest desires. Whether you're looking to build a dream life, achieve inner peace, or simply understand how to take control of your reality, this video is for you. Let's get started. The power of the human mind. Everything you see around you, every skyscraper, every piece of technology, every work of art, was first created in someone's mind. The human mind is the most powerful tool on this planet. It's responsible for both the incredible advancements we've made and the devastating destruction we've caused. But here's the thing. If you don't learn to control your mind, your life will be as chaotic and accidental as an unguided missile. Sadhguru explains that the key to creating the world you want lies in first creating the right things in your mind. If your mind is scattered, your life will be scattered. But if you can organize your thoughts, emotions, and energy in one direction, you can manifest anything you desire. The story of the wishing tree. Let me share a fascinating story from yogic lore. One day, a man went for a long walk and accidentally stumbled into paradise. Tired from his journey, he lay down under a tree and fell asleep. When he woke up, he felt hungry and wished for food. Instantly, all the delicious dishes he could imagine appeared before him. He ate, felt thirsty, and wished for a drink. His wish was granted. But here's where things took a turn. With a little alcohol in his system, his mind started racing. He began to wonder if there were ghosts around. And just like that, ghosts appeared and started torturing him. Terrified, he wished for death, and it happened. The tree he was sitting under was no ordinary tree. It was a Kalpavriksha, a wishing tree. Whatever he wished for, he received. But because his mind was unorganized, his desires turned into nightmares. The monkey mind. Sadhguru refers to an unorganized mind as a monkey mind. Why? Because like a monkey, it's always jumping from one thought to another, imitating and creating unnecessary chaos. A monkey mind is full of distractions, doubts, and fears. And when your mind is like this, your life becomes a series of accidents. But here's the good news. You can train your mind. You can turn it from a chaotic monkey into a powerful Kalpavriksha. How? By organizing your thoughts, emotions, and energy in one direction. The 4 dimensions of manifestation. According to Sadhguru, there are 4 dimensions of your being that need to be aligned for manifestation to work. 1. Your physical body. Your body is the vehicle through which you interact with the world. If it's weak or unhealthy, it will limit your ability to manifest your desires. 2. Your mind. Your thoughts shape your reality. If your mind is scattered, your life will be scattered. 3. Your emotions. Your emotions are the fuel that powers your thoughts. If they're negative, they'll sabotage your efforts. 4. Your energy. This is the life force that flows through you. When it's aligned with your desires, miracles happen. When these 4 dimensions are organized in one direction, you become a Kalpavriksha. Anything you wish for will manifest effortlessly. But here's the problem. Most of us are living with a monkey mind. We're constantly distracted, doubting ourselves, and changing directions. One moment, we're focused on our goals, and the next, we're scrolling through social media or worrying about things we can't control. This lack of focus and organization is why so many people struggle to achieve their dreams. They set goals, but they don't have the mental clarity or emotional stability to follow through. And even when they do achieve something, they're often left feeling empty because they didn't truly align their entire being with their desires. So, how do you go from a monkey mind to a Kalpavriksha? Here are some practical steps. 1. Clarify your desires. You can't manifest what you don't know you want. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you. 2. Eliminate negative thoughts. Doubts and fears are like weeds in a garden. Pull them out before they take over. 3. Practice focus, meditation, and mindfulness can help you train your mind to stay focused on one thing at a time. 4. Align your emotions. Cultivate positive emotions like gratitude, love, and joy. These will fuel your desires and help you stay motivated. 5. Conserve your energies. Avoid wasting your energy on things that don't matter. Focus on what truly aligns with your goals. The role of faith. Sadhguru also emphasizes the importance of faith. When you have faith, you remove all doubts and negative thoughts from your mind. You believe that what you desire is already on its way to you. This unwavering belief creates a powerful vibration that attracts your desires. For example, if you want to build a house but keep doubting whether it's possible, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. But if you approach it with faith, like a child who simply believes, you'll create the right conditions for your desire to manifest. The ultimate truth is this: you are the creator of your reality. The same source of creation that built the universe is within you. When you align your body, mind, emotions, and energy, you tap into this infinite power. You become a kalpavriksha, capable of manifesting anything you desire. But remember, this isn't about sitting back and waiting for miracles to happen. It's about taking conscious, focused action while staying aligned with your desires. To sum it up, manifestation isn't magic. It's science. By organizing your mind, emotions, and energy, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. Start by clarifying your desires, eliminating doubts, and taking consistent action. And most importantly, believe in your power to create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more life-changing insights. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out the video on how to master your mind. It's popping up on your screen right now. See you there.